Hi there. So the software development team in the ENCY head office have been hard at work producing a steady stream of updates and progressive bug fixes and improvements to the software. And most recently, in terms of new features, we've now included the ability to make use of STL meshes as surfaces for projection in cladding and painting operations. So as we can see here, we have an STL mesh as our primary surface for projection, and for our machining surfaces we have got a more standardized surface model. However, this means that we now have a more realistic representation of the finished effect when the spraying is done. So if we go into simulation here, we can see that the hard hat model here will give us a more honest representation of what our finished piece is going to look like. So if I click on run now, we can see that we don't have to have a fully reverse engineered model. We don't have to have the whole thing built up out of surfaces. Because we can now use meshes, it means that we can deal with things like 3D scan data and imported models without the time-consuming work required to do a full reverse engineering of them to get the most accurate representation and results. This is also accompanied by a series of bug fixes and tweaks and modifications that, as always, are intended to continue improving the user experience of ENCY throughout. Thank you.